What's up everyone? I'm back for a quick tutorial on how to make the Squidward Cake Topper. This is for a Spongebob themed cake I'm making, and here's a link to the first video if you haven't seen it already. The process is the same by shaping some Rice Krispie treat into a 2-inch square for his head. Roll out some minty green colored fondant and cover the block of Rice Krispie. Press the fondant with your fingers and then even out with a smoothing tool. Trim the excess, leaving about 2 centimeters of fondant like this. Gently fold the leftover fondant towards the bottom of the Rice Krispie block. Pinching the excess fondant together and snip with scissors. Again, use your smoothing tool or a rolling pin to even out the sides. I have to mention that my fondant is actually a mixture of 1 part Wilton store-bought fondant and 1 part modeling chocolate. Fondant itself can be too soft for making figures, so I add modeling chocolate to stiffen it up. Blend any creases or edges with a sculpting tool. Then shape the face and cheeks. And then add a frown for the mouth. At this point, he'll start to look like an alien. Add his eggplant-shaped nose, pressing it into place. And then add the frown line on his forehead. Create his eyes with black fondant and circle cutter. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that Squidward is not a squid, but is actually an octopus? The animators drew him with 6 legs because it was easier, and only in a couple episodes did he have 8 legs. This is a figure of Squidward working out and almost doing a weird yoga pose, so he's on 1 leg with his arms spread out. Add the pink wristbands. Here I'm just using a round piping tip to cut out the green dots. Place them on the top of his head. So here's Grumpy Squidward. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any thoughts or comments. Hit the like and subscribe button to stay tuned for more. Bye!